Hello everyone. In this today's video lecture, we will discuss about the business process as a service. In short, BPaaS. Right? So let's start with the business process as a service. In today's challenging and complex business environment, firms need businesses process in order to run efficient and sustain operations. Business process management, that is the BPM, is a very critical to a firm because it helps to create efficient and effective workflow process and integrate with different functions of the firm. In the advent of the internet and mobility, firms establish flexible and robust business process so that the process owners, users, and stakeholders could take advantage of the integrated and connectivity approach to execute the business process anywhere in the world, right? Business process as a service employs the cloud computing service model to outsource business process management BPM dependent on related cloud services like include software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service, right? It provides SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, right? Now, the traditional BPM system. What is BPM? BPM is nothing but the business process management system, right? The traditional BPM system, that is the BPMS, runs business process and track activities instances of this process. A BPMS automates the workflow of a business process step by step and provides reporting on the status of process instance, giving details on whether it is completed or stalled. In the case of stalled process, BPMS shows which step a process has stalled on, allowing companies to be proactive in their approaches to optimizing their processes and resolving overflow steps that may continually stall. Right? Got it, all of you? The BPaaS, on the other hand, is a simply business process uploaded to a cloud service that perform the task and allow for monitoring and reporting on the workflow status of active and completed tasks. The added advantages of BPaaS over traditional BPMS are what set it apart. Some examples of outsourcing services available with the BPaaS model, like payroll, tender, and industry operation processes. The main aim of BPaaS is to reduce the labor cost through an increase in automation of business process and to usual cost structures typically of cloud computing, right? BPaaS differ from traditional business logic software package as it is a specially designed oriented towards delivering services. BPaaS therefore will tend to have well defined application interfaces that are usable by many different businesses and offer a consistent, automated, and repeatable service assistance in the standardization of the business process. Right? Business process. Now show here the diagram shows the infrastructure as a service at the bottom. After that, platform as a service PaaS. After that, service software as a service, and top of the this business process as a service. The figure clearly shows how BPaaS fits well in a corporate hybrid cloud structure along with other cloud based services. Right? Here, here infrastructure as a service provides necessary computing resources, storage, and networking capability hosted by a service providers. Right? Now, software as a service, after that, what is platform as a service, offers a broad range of middleware services including integrated application development environment, right, application delivery platform, and database service. Next one is the software as a service, offer a wide range of software services hosted in a cloud infrastructure using pay per use pricing model or a subscription service based model. BPaaS sits on top of the cloud services as a robust business process management system and offer firms to experiment a new innovative business process idea, thereby creating a well integrated business approach for firm in order to establish a supervisor competitive advantages. Consequently, it brings the needful businesses process innovation into reality through efficient and effective. Right? Through efficient and effective. Now, the characteristics of BPaaS. First one, the BPaaS sit on the top of the three fundamental cloud services, that is the software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. A BPaaS service is configurable based on the process being designed. Next one, a BPaaS service must have well defined APIs so it can be easily connected to related services. Next one, a BPaaS must be able to support multiple languages and multiple deployment environments because a business cannot predict how a business process will be levered in the future. Next one, a BPaaS environment must be able to handle massive scaling. The services must be able to go from managing a few processes from a couple of customers to being able to support hundreds, if not thousands, of customers and processes. Right? The services accomplish that objective by optimizing the underlying cloud services to support this type of elasticity and scaling. Right? All of you got the characteristics of BPaaS. Now, benefits of BPaaS. Following are some benefits of BPaaS services. Right? First one is the low cost advantages. The cost advantages that become with the BPaaS is one of the primary reason why organizations choose it. Common IT cost can be reduced because the software, hardware maintenance and support is handled by the BPaaS service provider. BPaaS service provider. Right? Next one, increase in efficiency. Increase in efficiency. BPaaS has already successfully reduced legacy outsourcing when it become to HR, accounting, finance and customer support. BPaaS has developed with the growth of new markets, better mobility, analysis, and automation. So, increase the efficiency indirectly. Now, third one is the better focus on core business activities. If your company is currently in a rapid growth phase, you will realize that you are consuming more resources at the cost of core activities, which made your businesses successful in the first place. Even with the steady development, most companies will have to deal with the limited expertise and time. However, with the business process as a services, organization can focus on their core competency. BPAS has enabled companies to shift the focus from the time consuming and specialized activities toward the process that bring value to their clients. Next one, utilize cloud enabled technology. BPAS can bring your company better technology, known how and infrastructure, along with the improvement in flexibility and efficiency. BPAS service provider can also maintain your cloud enabled technologies. In this way, your company can enjoy the benefits of cutting edge infrastructure and technology. With business process as a service, your company will make use of the best technology and resources for each in house department. That is nothing but the utilize cloud enabling technology. Next one, access to skilled expert. Finding staff for specialty projects can be expensive, while the work of temporary resources may not match your expectation. While some businesses prefer to hire only one expert, companies who choose BPAS can tap into the potential of pool of experts, right? Access to skilled expert. Next one is the time zone benefits. One of the most beneficial advantages of BPAS comes from the difference in time between the location of the service provider and the HQ of the organization. A company can gain 24 hours of uninterrupted business operations without facing any errors. And the last one is the minimize the risk. With the changes in the business environment, every new investment comes with a risk, right? Comes with the risk. With the BPAS service, you can successfully minimize the risk as a term of professionals with extensive experience in a new technology and process will be deployed. These are the all benefits of BPAS. Benefits of BPAS. Now we will see the challenges, or we can see the drawbacks of BPAS. Right? Just because of their many prescribed benefits of BPAS does not mean that implementing the same as for the most businesses. There are some challenges involved. Some of the challenges includes undefined role of implementations. Ensuring that the groundwork is laid properly before implementing BPAS can save your problem, which might come up without any prior intimations, right? That is the under undefined rule and undefined role and implementation. Next one, trust your service provider. In many cases, business move towards the BPAS implementation with a set of goals in their mind, many of which can be too lofty for their own good. Right? You have to trust your BPAS service provider first. After that, adjust a new way of working. Adjust a new work of working. Typically, the shift from normal process to business process as a service services require a lot of change. Therefore, unless you and your employee are prepared to embrace the changes, the benefits will not accrue in the long term. Next one, expect limited customization. BPAS has certain limitations when it comes to allow for variable customizations out of the box. One of the main reasons behind this is that it follows a tightly defined and standard approach. Therefore, as a client, you must set realistic expectations about implementing the same process and perform due into that what work best for your existing setup. And the last one is the expensive propositions. While everyone talk about the cost benefits associated with BPAS, every few companies are aware that a proper BPAS solution can sometimes prove to be too expensive, especially for the SMB. This is because the most BPAS solutions are actually a gateway to more modern technology, which still cost quite bit for money to set up and implement. These are the some challenges we can say and the drawbacks of BPAS. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.